Hi Seekers, we are Mat and Angie, two lovers on a mission to visit every region of Italy. If you are new here, welcome and please have a seat. On this channel, you'll see us eating delicious vegan food, you'll discover with us spectacular places, and when we get the chance, we'll bring you on crazy adventures. We are now in our 7th region, Basilicata, and we spent the last few days exploring it. Today, we'll be exploring its most famous city, Matera, but maybe our opinion can be unpopular.
Good morning, Seekers!
Good morning.
She's still sleeping.
Yeah.
What time is it? Summertime. 5:52, which is kind of early, even for us. We have decided to wake up this super early this morning because there are 40 degrees Celsius in the weathercast coming up in the next hours, so it's gonna be a hot day. But first, it's time to have breakfast. Angie, what's in your left hand? Do the van life, they said. It will be fun, they said. Can we please appreciate 1 second how stunning my girlfriend looks with this shirt? She is on fire.
This is Castello Tramontano. It's open only 2 days during the year, but you can get reward if you come here. Give me a kiss.
No, thank you.
Near Palombaro Lungo and near one of the main square of Matera, you can see Belvedere Luigi Guerricchio, where you can enjoy this amazing view on the Sassi di Matera.
Partito.
There are many sculptures of Dali because he lived here. And there's also a museum, but there are places in the world you can admire pieces of art of Dali better. So we're just enjoying Matera today.
Behind me, you can see Chiesa di San Giovanni Battista. It's the only one with the free entry, but unfortunately for us, inside there is the celebration now.
Behind me, you can see the Cathedral of Matera, which is the main church of Matera. And inside, there's a famous painting, which is called Madonna della Bruna. And the timing with the opening of the church didn't work because it opens at 10 a.m. So we are not gonna see it, but you can admire it here. Enjoy it. On the other hill, you can see the rock churches, like Rupestern churches. It's 8 a.m. and I'm sweating so much.
It's very hot today. We are into Sassi di Matera, which is the ancient city, and the houses were built with white rocks. Behind me there is the Chiesa di San Pietro Caveoso, which is near to a nice viewpoint.
This is Chiesa Madonna de Idris, and even though it is not something spectacular to see, it is really interesting because here you can definitely see how the Sassi di Matera, which are the buildings of Matera, were carved from the rock. Their walls were made of rocks, and they carved the rooms inside the rock, which is mind-blowing what they did. Matera is famous for its whistle craft. There are many people that do these cute little whistles, and there are many legends with kids and how they protect them from evil spirits, and pretty cool. And they're really colorful too.
Yeah,
a little rainbow.
It's so nice.
Yeah. What I love about waking up so early is that we have already finished. It's 9:30 and people are just starting now to visit the city. It's getting crowded and we have already seen it all.
And it's very cool.
I'm so proud of us, baby.
Yeah, me too, baby.
And now we have more things to see, but we hope they're not as crowded as Matera will probably be in a few hours.
Okay.
It's hot.
Yeah.
We have the water in the fridge, baby.
Oh, yeah, I'll take it.
I'm sweating.
As you know, we have just finished the tour of Matera, and now we are heading to our next destination.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell you, mama.
We are arrived in Crypt del Peccato Originale. This is the ticket office. We don't know if it is open. It doesn't seem so, but we're gonna ask. The ticket office was opened and we spent 10 euros and 70, but just for one person. So today we'll decide, our beloved friend decided I was gonna be the one entering, and since the ticket to enter is so pricey, we have decided to go just one of ourselves, but we still want to do it because people said it is a beautiful place to see, to visit, and that's it. We have to move with the van. I mean, I have to move with the van, and I'm following the guide. It's a short path, he said. Let's go to the crypta. Okay. Oh. Okay. I have mixed feelings about this place. First of all, let's open the windows. Okay, that's better. Let's say that the 10 euros ticket to get in, I think it is a bit pricey. You spend more to come here than to go to Uffizi, Musei Vaticani, wherever. So it's really pricey, I think. And the fact is that the actual visit is like a small cave, and that's it. You sit, you look at this little cave with some beautiful frescoes on it, but it's just a small cave. So for how stunning it may be, it's still a small cave. So the paintings are beautiful, the colors are awesome, but I think it's a little bit pricey. Okay, now that we're back together, I gotta add something. The peculiar thing is that those frescoes are so ancient, like they are 500, if I heard it correctly, 500 older than the fresco you can see from Giotto. No.
And a piece of...
Let's go. We are already in our next destination, but before visiting it, lunch please. We have some farro with tofu with herbs and tomatoes and red peppers and olives. Let's eat it. Don't ask us why I'm exiting from the back. I have no clue. But she wanted to close the front doors, so that's what I'm left to. Really comfortable, huh?
I know, baby.
I know you want me. I know you want that.
I know you want me.
Woo!
We are in Parco Scultura La Palomba, which is an artistic park in Matera. Let's go see it. This park is located in the cave where the bricks used to build the building of Matera were taken.
Here you can actually see the bricks, and these bricks are all made with the same dimensions. So they were made one after the other, and they are all the same. And here you can see them.
The theme of this park is Il Volo, which means flying. This sculpture is the reason why we are here. It's completely made by the iron of the Twin Towers, and we think it's amazing. The name is Ultima Cena Globalizzata, which reminds l'Ultima Cena di Leonardo. A kind of, yeah. But it's really cool that a piece of New York is in Matera. Here, the Twin Towers can live a little bit more.
Voglio il gelato. We had to come to I Vizi degli Angeli, which is a nice ice cream shop that sells also vegan ice creams.
And the price is also good because we paid €3.50 each.
What do you think about Matera?
I think Matera is a nice city. I didn't love it so much. Maybe also because we didn't visit anything on inside, but you have to pay to visit everything.
And also the ticket to enter these places are really expensive. And we had already chosen to do the Crypt, So doing other things inside was really expensive for us, and we chose not to. My point of view is I've grown up listening to people telling me that Matera and the Sassi di Matera are the most beautiful thing they've ever seen. And even Vanya, our mate back at home.
Hi, Vanya.
Bye-bye. Hi, Vanya. Told us that we had to come because they're beautiful. And I mean, they are kind of beautiful. And what is beautiful is the fact that they managed to do something like buildings out of the rocks, but not something to say, wow, they are stunning. And that's it. You can tell us in the comments if you liked what you saw in this vlog and if you really liked Matera. That's just our opinion. It doesn't have to be the global truth. So, with this nice ice cream, it's all you guys.
See you in another vlog.
Bye.